I've been wearing the Ultrahuman Ring AIR for several weeks now, tracking my sleep, activity, recovery, and pretty much everything else it can measure. Now, when I first heard about smart rings, I'll be honest, I wasn't convinced. I mean, can something this small really give you useful health insights? But after wearing it day and night, taking it to the gym, sleeping with it, and generally living with it, I think I can finally understand why smart rings are becoming so popular. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it's like to order, set up, wear, and use the Ultrahuman Ring AIR in the real world. I'll cover the good, the bad, the features I actually use, and whether I think it's worth your money. Let's get into it. Before we jump in, this video is based on my personal experience using the ring. I purchased the ring, went through the entire ordering process, completed the sizing process, and have been using it as my primary health tracker. One thing I really appreciated right from the start was the sizing process. Instead of guessing your ring size and hoping for the best, Ultrahuman sends out a free sizing kit before your actual ring ships. And honestly, I highly recommend taking this part seriously. The sizing kit contains plastic ring samples in different sizes, allowing you to wear them throughout the day and even overnight. What feels comfortable for 10 minutes may not feel comfortable after 24 hours. I actually tried multiple sizes before deciding which one felt best. Once you confirm your size, Ultrahuman then ships your actual Ring AIR. It's a simple process, but one that can save a lot of frustration later. Okay, so when it arrived, the first thing that surprised me was how light the ring feels. It's called the Ring AIR for a reason. Once it's on your finger, it's easy to forget you're wearing it. The ring has a premium titanium construction and doesn't feel like a cheap gadget. Instead, it feels like a piece of jewelry that just happens to be packed with sensors. I was slightly concerned about the comfort because I don't normally wear rings. But after a few days, it became second nature. The design is minimalist, clean, and doesn't scream tech product. Most people won't even realize it's a smart device. And honestly, that's something I really like about it. Getting started was straightforward. You download the app, pair the ring, and it begins collecting data. Within a few days, the insights become significantly more useful because the ring starts learning your baseline patterns. This is important because health tracking isn't just about collecting numbers. It's about understanding what's normal for you. The more data it gathers, the more personalized the recommendations become. Let's talk about the feature I probably use the most, sleep tracking. Every morning I found myself opening the app to see how I'd slept. The ring tracks sleep duration, sleep stages, heart rate, skin temperature trends, and other recovery-related metrics. What I like isn't necessarily the raw data, it's the way the information is presented. Instead of overwhelming you with charts and graphs, the app provides actionable insights. For example, if I stayed up too late, had poor sleep quality, or wasn't recovering properly, it became pretty obvious in the data. Over time, I started noticing patterns. Certain habits led to better sleep, certain habits clearly didn't, and that's where I think the real value comes from, not the data itself, but the behavioral changes the data encourages. The Ring AIR also tracks daily movement and activity. Now, if you're expecting a hardcore fitness watch replacement, that's not really the point here. This is more about understanding your overall activity levels and recovery status. I found myself paying more attention to movement throughout the day. If I'd been sitting for too long, the data would make that obvious. The ring also tracks workouts and provides useful information about how those activities affect your recovery. One thing I appreciated is that the focus isn't just on pushing harder. It's also about understanding when your body needs rest. Sometimes the best workout decision is actually taking a recovery day, and that's something many people overlook. The app is where you'll spend most of your time, and thankfully, it's one of the strongest parts of the experience. Everything feels well organized and easy to understand. You don't need to be a fitness expert or health enthusiast to make sense of the information. The app does a good job of translating complex health metrics into practical recommendations. And that's really important. Most people don't care what their heart rate variability was at 3:17 a.m. They care about what it means. Am I recovering well? Should I train today? Am I sleeping enough? The app focuses on answering those questions. After using it for several weeks, here are the things I liked most. First, the comfort. I genuinely forget I'm wearing it. Second, the sleep tracking. It's probably the feature I check most often. Third, the design. It looks good and doesn't draw attention. Fourth, the battery life. I'm not constantly worrying about charging it. And finally, I appreciate that the experience feels focused on helping you improve habits rather than simply throwing numbers at you. No product is perfect, and there are a few things worth considering. First, this is still an investment. It's not an impulse purchase. Second, like any health tracker, the value depends on whether you're actually willing to use the information. If you're never going to check the app or make changes based on the data, you probably won't get the full benefit. And finally, there is a learning period. Ring becomes more useful over time as it gathers more data about your habits and routines. So, is the Ultrahuman Ring AIR worth it? For me, the answer is yes, not because it magically transforms your health overnight, but because it gives you visibility into things that are otherwise difficult to measure. I've gained a better understanding of my sleep, recovery, and daily habits, and that awareness alone has been valuable. The free sizing kit makes the buying process much easier, the ring is comfortable enough to wear all day and night, and the app presents information in a way that's actually useful. If you're interested in understanding your health and building better habits, I think the Ultrahuman Ring AIR is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel at no additional cost to you, and I really appreciate it. If you found this review helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews and real-world testing, and let me know in the comments what feature you'd use most. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.